Good morning, students. Welcome to your e-learning class. This is your mathematics lecture, and today I am going to start chapter 2, whole numbers. The natural number along with zero form the collection of whole numbers. Like, as you know, students, all counting numbers are natural numbers. And natural numbers are infinite. If we add 0 with a natural number, 0 with a natural number, this forms the whole number. Example: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. And so on, and so on. This is a example of whole number and represented by W. Whole number is represented by W and natural numbers are represented by N. And students, whole number on the number line is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. This is the representation of whole number on number line. Students, some basic questions on whole number. Question A says 0 is the smallest natural number. 0 is the smallest natural number. Is it true or false? Do you know 0 is the smallest whole number? So this statement is false. This statement is false because 0 is the smallest whole number. Now statement B is 0 is the smallest whole number. This is true because now all natural numbers are whole numbers. As you know, students, when we add 0 with a natural number, its collection is called the whole number. So all natural numbers belongs in whole number. So this statement is true. All natural numbers are whole numbers. This statement is true. And now the next statement is all whole numbers are natural numbers. This is false statement. All whole numbers are natural numbers. This is the false statement because all whole number में zero भी होता है जो कि natural number नहीं होता है. So this is a false statement. And now 1 is the smallest whole number. No. 0 is the smallest whole number, so this statement is also false statement. And now students, some basic question based on successor and predecessor of a whole number and natural number. Question number F says the natural number 1 has no predecessor. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. Means natural number हमारा counting number होता है जो 1 से start होता है. So this statement is true. This statement is true क्योंकि 1 का predecessor क्या होगा? 0. And 0 is not a natural number. So this statement is true. Question number G. The whole number 1 has no predecessor. This is the false statement because the whole number begins with a 0. So whole number 1 has one predecessor, that is 0. So this statement is false statement. And now question number H. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. This is true statement because 0 से नीचे जब हम जाएंगे तो that is the negative number आएगा और वो integer है, वो whole number नहीं होता. So the whole number 0 has no predecessor. This is the true statement. The predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single digit number. This is the false statement because the predecessor of 2-digit number never a single digit number. अगर हम 10 हमारा क्या है 2-digit नंबर, इसका जब हम predecessor लेंगे तो क्या होगा ये 9, 10 - 1 = 9. 9 क्या है 10 का predecessor है. So single digit number. So predecessor of a 2-digit number is single digit number. So this is a false statement. This is a false statement. Now question number J. The successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. This is also a false statement because successor of 2-digit number means 99 is a 2-digit number. When we add 1, we get 100. So successor of 2-digit number is a 3-digit number. So this statement is false. This is it for today. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you.